How to install LiveChat to CommerceV3 store. Using CommerceV3 and enables customers to ask questions about the product they want to buy, and you can answer them in real time, which simplifies the buying and selling process. Just by offering LiveChat on your CV3 store, you are one step ahead of the companies that do not. Competitive advantage can be obtained by managing products more effectively and having good relationships with customers. Don't have a LiveChat account yet? Click the link in this video guide to create a free 14-day trial. Follow the steps below to get LiveChat running on your CommerceV3 web store in no time. Add LiveChat to CommerceV3. 1. First, log into your CommerceV3 account. 2. Once logged in, click on the store name to get into the admin area. 3. Next, navigate to Content Design Template Tags and choose the home page and General category. 4. Scroll down the page till you find the LiveChat _on template. It can be used to turn the chat on or off. If set to Y, it will be on. 5. Finally, type in your license ID into the LiveChat _ID template and click the Submit button. To get LiveChat license ID, go to Settings, Installation, Chat Widget section of your LiveChat account. That's it. You are now set up and ready to go. Want to learn more about LiveChat? Click here to read our tutorials for beginners. Also, in case of any questions, feel free to start a chat with LiveChat. Their support heroes are available 24/7/365. Hit https://lc.chat/66d4k and get yourself started with LiveChat.